people, we're back on the road again. Yeah, there with another video, you understand? Yeah man, we're currently there in the city of Portmore, you understand? Yeah man, right just over there in front of big building in front of it's called Harbour Shopping Mall, you understand? Yeah.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow. Forever and now.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, people, we're back on the road again. Yeah, there with another video, you understand? Yeah man, we're currently there in the city of Portmore, you understand? Yeah man, right just over there in front of big building in front of it's called Harbour Shopping Mall, you understand? Yeah. And with there, people, we actually make a way the whole Harbour right now, you see me? So here's the thing, we actually have to take the toll road. Yeah, we have to take the highway go down, you see me? Yeah my people, what time now? It's 11 minutes after 6 right now. So we have to take the toll. So this not gonna really be, it's not supposed to be a long video, you understand? Because as I say, highway we are go highway settings, so supposed to reach down there real quick. You understand? Yeah. And it's not really much to see on the highway, you know, people. The highway is long and boring, you know. Yeah, but the highway is long and boring. So basically that video probably just mostly the reasoning, you understand? Yeah man, that's the reasoning right now. So I'm currently on Municipal Boulevard. As stated earlier, I'm in Portmore. And yeah, I go that way because if you enter the highway, you can actually enter here in a Portmore, or you can enter Spanish Town. You also can enter on Mandela Highway. That's when you're coming from Kingston side. You can enter from Mandela Highway, you understand? Yeah man, and this is the highway that takes you all the way to what them say, Mandeville side. So you basically go through Maypen, Clarendon side and continue on. Yeah, the new stretch of road there where them build what here, the new highway where them recently open. Yeah man, it connected to this one. Take you all the way there, you see me? Can look out for that video soon as well. Alright? Yeah, can look out for that video there soon. Oh, just stay and go and take your time, my people. So right about now, I just want to say yo, big up to all of the new viewers them. Yeah man, the person them where just find the channel. You understand? Big up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing, man. You don't know manners and respect, you know. You see me? Make sure you click subscribe, you know. Yeah, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button there. You understand? Yeah, man. If you love the videos so far and all of that, yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. See? And do remember to also click like on the video, them. You see me? Drop on a comment just to see them. You don't know YouTube work already. We say it in every video. You don't know what to do already. Just do the right thing, man. You understand? Yeah man, do the right thing, man. And shout out to all the people them who they are from long time. You get me? Yeah man, long time viewers them. Bless up on yourself, man, and you don't know the thing, you see it? Yeah man, manners and respect every time. Sir Colin in the UK. Big up all UK massive right now. Tristan, all UK people them. Bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah man. All the UK people them. You see me? J booming as usual. Big up yourself. Man, when they are here, you like myself, you don't know the thing, God bless up in my general. Manners and respect, yeah? Yeah, man, manners and respect, my bro. You see me? People them when they in the US, you see me? People them when they are Philly, Cali. Yo, my South Florida people them. Yo, my South Florida people them is a beat, you know, man. Yeah, man, big up to the South Florida people them, man. People them when they up in New York. Yo, listen to me, man. Yo, Jano Star, all over US. People them there all over US. Just big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah man. Big up too now. Every time. You see me? Brooklyn people them. All of the people them. Manners and respect, man. You see it? Yeah man, we give thanks. We're grateful. We're always there upon the journey. You understand? Yeah man, bless up on yourself. And you don't know Toronto people them, Canada people them, you don't know the thing, Ontario people them. Yo, listen to me now, man. Big up on yourself, you know, man. You don't know the thing, man. I walk to the man. We're always there, you know, man. Rika, walk one. Yeah, man. Manners and respect, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Bless up to all of the people them, man. You see me? Jacqueline. Yeah, man. Mad love goes out, you know? Yeah. Manners and respect, man, my people, man. You don't know the thing set up, you know? Yeah, man. Know the thing is right now we have this stoplight named Grange Lane. If we go left, we can carry around in a Spanish town. But as I say, we now go that way there. We are going head to the highway. You understand? Yeah, that's what we are doing right now. You see me? Yeah man, that's what we are doing right now. You see me? That's what we are doing. So, Joan Dennis. Yeah man, Joan. Want big you up, you know. Joan in a ram for ball for the long video them, you know. Open the video them, the long video them drop, you know, Joan. Me see all 10 comment under there, you know. Every watch you watch, every tick it clock tick. And you watch and you see something, I want to see your comment, you know. Yes, cause you know, ram for ball for the long video them, and long video them are forward, man. Country run them up and running, man. Let's go and hold on. Let's go and hold on, you see me? Yeah man, let's go and hold on, man. You see me I say? Yeah man. So bless up yourself, you know, June, cause you know me a beat either, you know. You're always there, you know. Yeah man, you're always outside with me, you see me? Every journey. It's like you're there side of me in a car, don't it? Yeah man, you don't know the thing, man. Yeah, and also Vivian, yeah man, Vivian Evans, bless up yourself, you know. Yeah, bless up yourself, you see me? Yeah man, you know the thing already, man. Manners and respect, love goes out to you as well. You get me? Yeah. Love goes out to you as well. And Lorraine Richards, big up yourself. See it? Yeah man, mad love man. Tristan, yeah man, up there in the UK. What going on in the UK, you know? Rain or fall, Colin. What going on in the UK? What? We still get rain. Well, UK always get rain still, you know. You see, we don't know a spring, so why? What going on? Open you now wash away, you know. You see me? What kind of rain we not get? We not get freezing rain. We not get hail. What go on over UK there, Tristan? What go on? Can I rain a fall over there, you know? I mean, no rain ever fall at UK, you know, man. Yes, a fall at UK, me I tell you. Jovin, pick up yourself too, you know, my Jenna. Yeah, man. Manners and respect, you know, my boss. You see it? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. You see me? Yeah, that's the thing there, you see me? Yeah. Also, Sir Donald, yeah. Donald Thompson, bless up in my bro. You don't know, you know. Enough love goes out in there, you see me? Manners and respect every time, you understand? Yeah. So right about now, people, as you notice, I kind of all play with some new type of music in my background and them thing there, you know. You see me? Yeah. I know this is probably not to the favorite type of music, but you know, some people say them like it and race still, but we will get there. We'll find it. We'll find the right mix. You see me? We'll find the right mix. Don't worry about it. We'll get there. You don't know it's a growing channel, so we'll get there. You understand? We have to stretch your creativity sometime and play with a few things and wait till we perfect, till we get the thing perfect. You understand? Yeah, man. Alright, so right about now, we're about to go up on this highway here right now. Seeing people, and guess what now? We actually are going ahead in a westerly direction. So we're up on the south coast of Jamaica, you know. We are heading in a westerly direction. And as you can see, it's an evening drive, alright? So the sun basically has set here now. So if it is that the glare from the sun affect the quality of the video, we just want to apologize from now. Alright? A God's son, we can't do nothing about it. You see me? We just are telling you from now. We don't know still. We don't know how far the sun gone down. We don't know if it's still a go there in the you know? But let's see. There are people. So yeah, we just start the highway now in a Portmore. Speed limit of 110 them say. And it's 19 minutes after 6 o'clock right now. See? Yeah, we are going straight to Harbour. Harbour exit we are come off. We know the thing already. We don't know say my ground there so too. And thing. So yeah, we just are going in here now, you know? Yeah. As a matter of fact, when we reach in, I'm going to edit this video right now. Yeah, this is the video I'm going to edit as we reach in. Might have dropped a bit late, but better late than never. Don't it? Yeah. Yeah. Better late than never for people. You see me? We are drop it. So, all the people who are watch this on the premiere, we don't know what the meaning of the premiere, right? When it first are here, right at the premiere. We want to full up the comment section, full up the chat. We want to share the video, all them things there. All of you who are watch this right now on the premiere, we just want to say big up on yourself. Premiere gang, let up on yourself, man. You don't know the thing, man. You see it? Yeah. And if you are watching for the rerun, meaning it here already, you probably are watching some other day. It's not in a live, it's not a premiere. Big up yourself to just as well. You see me? Yeah, man, you're just as important to, man. You see it? What we want you to do is make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell so when the video them drop on a premiere, you can forward on and be a part of the live chat in the premiere section. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Big up to all the people them to it. Always I watch the premiere, click like on the video, but them no comment. Big up on yourself. Most time we just over there sit down in our room stay. So you know, like you're in our room and the teacher say, like you're a student and the teacher say, yo, silence, no talk. And we just sit there and observe each other. Big up on yourself still, isn't it? Big up on yourself. I appreciate you the same way. You see me I say? Yeah, man, you were always watch the premiere and never yet comment, man. Big up yourself and you me I talk to. You, yes. Yes, you! Big up! Big up, you watch the premiere, you watch all the full from start to finish. And you don't drop no comment. Big up yourself, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, manners and respect, man, you see it? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing up. Right about now, I'm telling you, say it's hot in Jamaica. Them say we're supposed to get cold front. You see me? So that's why it is so hot. Because them say, you know, before the cold front, we always get like a heat wave or something. You see me? Yeah. So, well, they are still same way. They are same way, you see it? Yeah, man. I go and endure the heat in Jamaica. You know the thing they go already. So right now we're basically there in the little vicinity of Spanish Town. We're in a Spanish Town area right now, people. You see me? Yeah, man, that's how we're there right now. If we're there on the old road and take it away, And a little section there we are there right now. Yeah man, that little section there we are there right now. Close to the town? Yeah, that's how we are there. Close to the town and Spanish Town. You see me? Yeah man. People gonna have all the merch them and forward soon, you know. Well, to be honest, the merch store is set up and the merch available, you know, for purchase and everything, you know. But me not really promote it because me myself not buy none yet. But me about to buy a couple things and get to see the quality and the printing, the alignment and the logo and them something there. Yeah, me about to take on that. I hope you that hear me clearly because the wind, trust me. So I'm going to wind up my side of the wind that day, you see it? But yeah, right this up on the left side of Spanish Town exit. Alright? Yes, I remember just telling you say Spanish Town area over there now. Yeah, Spanish Town exit this on the left side. So yeah my people, the merch store up and running, it active. One heap of things there in the merch store. Pull over all of them things there. And the logo bad. It endorse Jamaica to the fullest. You see me? You can get whole heap of things over there. Like as I say, pull over all them little thing there. Where you can get that with 876 by birthright on it. So you don't know from your yard man, the yard woman. You don't know from your rep Jamaica. You always can the right brand that for you. 876 by birth. You see me? We even have we have other slogans and other things printed on them. I think we have one we say, yo, born a yard but live abroad. You see me? Yeah man, and we say man, the merch over there. You can click and check and look on them and see the merch them and see how them stay and really still. You see me? As me say, me I be honest with you know. Like I set it up and everything, but when I set it up, me never purchase yet. You see me? And that's why I not promote it because I don't want people to buy something and then return it. And then guess what too? People, the damn merch, them expensive, you know. You see me? And I tell you the truth. Really and truly, the thing them money there, I think the most me I make off of them are probably like $7 or something. I don't quite remember, but I think I probably like about $7. Because, yo, I don't know, like the thing that we use, the company we actually, we're in charge of ship out the merch and all of that. Yeah. So basically me I work through one company. So what I do is submit my logo them and all of them things there to them. And you understand the rest of them work. You understand them show me the design and the thing them have, them show me the product them have, all of that. So that is it, but them expensive. You understand? Them expensive people. So when you click on it, especially all people from England, when you click on it, I know it kinda pricey, them kinda pricey, I know that. But as I say, all honesty, I'm probably like $7 the most I make. But if you know how I make the $7, which one of the product them I make which one of the merch I make the $7 half. Some of them are less money, you see me? Yeah, but just do it for the love still. That's what I do it for. You know people who want to rep Jamaica because they know going there in a foreign country. Sorry. Oh, and the sun look like it gone way down over the hills them down there, so we're good to go. We're not the sun, we're not clear from the sun of Africa right now, so we're good to go. But yeah, you know how it is when you're in a foreign country and you know you just want to be known, say yo, you're Jamaican and all of that. So every little thing you find, you try to say yo, you know, you embrace your whole culture and all of that. So really and truly, and that I do it fast to say, I try to think about some catchy logo, some catchy little slogan, some catchy little thing, and you know, deal with it. As we said, the 876 by birth. You don't know. 876 you know say the country code. Yeah, we have a next country code right now. So we never remember where it is, but yeah man, we have a next country code. We don't know if I want to know that. But right now, yeah, cause them say the 876 number them done. So I don't know, but my next country code, see? Me check it out and tell you no one day. But you don't know when it's a 876, you know so that our Jamaica original country code. And we response from 876, you see me? So you don't know it, as I say, we just plaster that on from the merch. You see me? Yeah, for all the people who want to embrace them culture and all of them things, you don't know whole Jamaicanness. You see me, if that's a word? Yes, right. Yeah, and then we have the one as I say, yo, born a yard but live abroad. Because I know enough of you right now. And that I pray. You see me? Yeah, man. Enough of you a foreign you there abroad, but you know yard people to the core. Every Sunday you still a cook on the red rice and rooster, don't it? Yeah. Or if you not eat chicken, you might cook red rice or fish, seafood or shrimp or something. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I know what to do it, man. I know what to do it, man. And more time when you're up in them places, when you're some far place, you know, man. You just do everything because you want to keep the little culture thing alive, you know? Yeah, so you just make sure so you do all of the little things you can do same way. You see me? Yeah. And what someone need to do is take a vacation and come to Jamaica too, you know? Yeah, man. And that's someone need to do, man. Take a vacation and come a yard. You know, the phone there and you hear all the news and this stuff. You know, tune into YouTube and every little story come out. You know, say, Jesus Christ, you might go a terrible dog at Jamaica there. You know what's going on, you know? I know the news can be terrible at times. Me, in all honesty, I be fair, you see? But, you know, all bad out there. See? We there every day on the ground same way, and it's not all bad. Alright, we are survive on them things. Come on yard, find a nice little Airbnb to stay. If you don't really want to stay with no family member, or you don't want to go to a hotel, find a nice little Airbnb. Only for Airbnb there in Jamaica right now. Sorry. Only for Airbnb there in Jamaica right now, in a gated community right now. You see me? Yeah, man, a lot of them. You see me I say? They're in a gated community right now. So they can find them there and stay in one of them there. You see me? And when you don't know already, they can rent a vehicle and drive around and all these things. Or they can email me. Drop in the comment section, say you come a yard and you want me carry around and thing. You know, we organize a price and we deal with it. You see me? We do the maths. Yeah, we just organize a decent little price. Because you know, gas price, gas near Jamaica still, you know, so yeah. But yeah, man, you know, the time where they are stay, you know, we just do up the maths, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Just do up the maths, man, and we take on the road if we don't want to go places. As what I say, you see me? Yeah. And if you don't up to it, please make sure you know which part you want to go. Like the last time I said this, and somebody said they watch a video with me last up in some bush up in Portland. I don't remember if I Jacqueline or if I Joan or if I Vivi. I don't remember who said so. They might show them out for me. They might say, hey, I tell you about you know who go but watch video with you. I carry people go place and last up in a bush and ray. But no that go people. I mean me like the adventure for tell you the truth, but please have an idea which part I want to go, alright? Yeah man. So yeah people, $600 for that tool yeah. If you see the light flicker on it, I just how it's set up mobile with the camera lens. It do that sometime. So I'm not sure. Maybe when the seat a flicker, maybe when you get the seat while ago properly. But just in case it was flickering and the camera, some with the camera lens, alright? So we soon reach a whole Harbour right now. Well we're there in a whole Harbour because we're right across from one place that them call Gutters in a whole Harbour. That's how the toll plaza there. So once we reach the toll plaza, we know say yo, we're there in a whole Harbour with the Gutters. So the whole Harbour town exit right down there, say, you see me? Go back to the story as me and say, yo, yeah man, rent up a little car or link up 876 by Bird and make a carry around. Book in, check in a nice little Airbnb and thing, you see me? And people, I tell you from now, I'm going to have the Airbnb a launch real soon, see? Yeah, I'm going to have it a launch real soon. But don't worry, once it's up and running, you're not going to see all of that. Not to worry about it, see? So we have Airbnb up and running. So you see me? You can link up. Once it's up and running, dates available and all of them things there, you can link up, alright? Yeah, nice place. It's gonna be safe and secure and all works, alright? Yeah man. So yeah, you can take a little vacation. Come a yard, yeah. You don't know the thing go, you see it? Yeah. So my exit will come up real soon, you know. So I need to probably go in and left lane, you know. Also my people, I've been telling about the highway, and this is the highway where you're go straight in a Mandeville. Me and Pen straight through. You're going through Clarendon and down so, you understand? Yeah. Alright, so basically I exit right round the corner here, so. Yeah. So this is a whole Harbour exit. If you go in a whole Harbour town, you take the right and go straight up the road. That can you go up in the town centre whole Harbour, you see me? If you want to go whole Harbour Bay, which is a little fishing village down so, you take the left. Take the left and go down in a whole Harbour Bay, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, my people. So now it's 6:33. Alright? Yeah. So you see if you drive from Portmore, we'll come up on the toll and reach a whole Harbour. You know that far enough people say whole Harbour country, but honestly me not really classify it as country if you tell you the truth. Yeah, me not classify it as country if you tell you the truth, you know, people. Cause it's so close and the commute to Old Harbour, me used to tell people, I still tell them like, for commute from Kingston, when once you even hop on the toll, even when you not take the toll, for commute from Kingston to Old Harbour, easier than for commute from Kingston to all Portmore, because sometimes with the traffic and is a whole heap of congestion and all them things. You see how when you reach in a Portmore, oh God, you see if you ever take bus and them thing there, you reach in a Portmore, my word, may I tell you now, hold on the people. Yeah man, when you reach in a Portmore, may I tell you no people, traffic, murderation. When you come off all Portmore toll and the bus, we stop at every bus stop. Sometimes I'll come off a toll and be a traffic, you see me? Yeah. So basically reach, as me say, a whole Harbour. Name of that community is New Harbour Village 2. Yeah, but no enough to see enough time because enough time I start my video them down here and just like that one here, me end videos down here too as well. So you see me? Yeah man. Oh, nice gated community and thing. You know? Yeah. Very safe. Tell you nothing unscrupulous that take place inside there. Alright? Yeah man, if you want you can left the door them open your and go your bed. Trust me. You see me? The only thing I just like insect I go come in. But nothing unscrupulous. You understand people? Yeah, nothing unscrupulous. 10 years now me a shampoo in here. That scheme me probably about 12, 13 or probably. But I think a 14-year-old. I think that scheme I reach 14 years. But it could be. But yeah, 10 years now me a shampoo in here people. You see me? And I haven't heard anything for the whole 10 years. I haven't heard anything. Nothing bad me not hear. You can literally left all your garden hose. You can left your garden hose out in the front of your yard. And left it there for days and you still see it there for days. You understand? Yeah, you can do that. Over here up on the left side of the clubhouse. Or the community center if you want to call it that. You know? Yeah. They have little a little recreational area for the kids. You know, little slide and swing, and they have a basketball court. They have a big football field, like a real life-size football field, official football field. Yeah. Or if you want to call it soccer, We enough for know it about. Yeah, Jamaicans, you know, we call it football. Them have that. We have a jogging trail, as I just said a while ago. I hope the camera do this justice, you know. There was a lady walking, you know. Morning time, right, just so full of people a walk. Evening time too as well. People them come out and I do them exercise and all of them things there. As I say, basketball court there. One beach volleyball area is there. Pretty much up here you can play volleyball, but the sand there. Them dump it up with sand and things. So you know, little thing there and thing with people. You see me? So yeah, as I say, New Harbour Village 2 this located in a whole Harbour St. Catherine, is it? Yeah, my people. And right about now, this is where the video actually going to come to a close, you know. Yeah, this is where the video going to come to a close. There's also another gated community that is located. I'm not going to say inside the scheme, but it is adjacent to the scheme. But to get there, you enter through this scheme. Alright? I carry on around there real fast. I know it dark. I never can go in, but for the people who has never yet seen it, I've done this quite a bit of time already. I know enough of you never yet see, but I show you. So when you get to this roundabout, you come out and go that way. You see me? Yeah. Come out and go that way, people. This is another gated community located adjacent to this one. Alright? Yeah. As I said, I never can go in or anything. I just have to show you the gate and show you say one next gated community running. So you can see the perimeter wall on the right side. But yeah, my people. See? Somebody are going. Alright? So we just have to swing around. But it's another gated community. You see it? Yeah. Just have to swing around and see. See the security there in our post and thing. Alright? So yeah. Wow, what is called again? I don't know what this called. I don't remember what this called. Alright, I do remember. Wait, I think our WIM developments are something like so WHIM. I don't know if that's the name of the construction company where build it or so. I don't know. I don't know the official name for it, people. I'm really sorry about that, isn't it? But yeah. But I know there are people out there who know the official name and you know can drop the name of it if you choose. The official name. You can drop the name of it. Alright, but yeah people. Another gated community over there, so. You see me? Yeah. And them brag and them boast and them say, yo, over there, so well secure because that's a gated community inside of a gated community. You see me? And as I said, that's at the entrance. So you basically go through 2 security checkpoints. And now because you see me driving so a while ago, nobody feel like say, yeah, you see me? Yeah, man. I'm a resident in a place, so that is it. If you're a resident, you see me? Security and everything. We know the steps, we know the code. You see me? So yeah, as a stranger, it not gonna work out for you. You understand? Because if you know them pull up at the gate, we'd have to wait a while because I guess the person at the gate did have some little issues and thing. You see me? So we're about to end the video right to say, you know, my people. You see me? Yeah, I'm just going to run about one more time. Because we're going to end the video right off here, so you see it? Yo, that house here nice. The 2 of them. This one in front of you and the one beside it to the left. Them super nice. But bless upon yourself, you know, people. You don't know the thing going on. 876 by birth, you know. Drop some comment in the comment section, man. Let me know say the day upon the journey, and man. You don't know the thing going. I'm going to edit that video right now. Big up on yourself, see? I'm out. Later.